When you're speaking to people on the phone, one of the best things you can do is to really inject your personality when you're talking to somebody. Now, some of us think, well, I'm not funny, or, you might not know where your personal charisma lies. Now, it's a bit of soul searching and asking people, but it helps. You need to find out what you can do and what you can get away with. Some people use humour and it works for them. It's in their nature, they can pull it off. For example, there was one lady I know that was carrying out some corporate profiling work for me on the team. And so she was finding out who the right people were to speak to within large organisations, and the information wasn't available online to find, it had to be done via a call. And when she was trying to find the right contact, she would say to somebody, I don't know if you're the man for me, but I really hope you are. And it worked, and people laughed. I've known other people, guys, phone up and speak to a receptionist and say, oh, can I have Tracy Jones, please? And it's the way they go, oh, can I have Tracy Jones? And, there's a bit of humour there, and some of you might sound more commanding, more serious and methodical and businesslike. Perhaps you just naturally exude an air of authority, so you need to make sure that what you're saying matches how you sound. So if you're not sure where your particular skill or charisma lies, then ask somebody you trust to tell you. I'm working with somebody as well at the moment who's got a very varied accent, kind of from moving around, and it's from all over the place. And they're working with a vocal coach to kind of hone one. And one of them that they naturally slip into sounds a bit like Sean Connery. So I've said, go with that one, because that's going to work. So, there are people out there that can help you with this sort of thing. You might feel a bit vulnerable. That's why I said it can be soul searching, okay? So find people that you trust, or, as I've done with people, someone that you don't know at all who just gives you a totally unbiased, this is how you sound. I'm happy to do that as part of the mentoring and training work that I do anyway. It's help people understand their positive attributes and how they use their voice. So I've got somebody that I know very well who is a singer, quite a well-known singer, and can help guide me on guiding people how to use and explore their voices. So get in touch with me if you would like some help. Janine@ringhello.co.uk. If you're watching this on social media, then ping me a message, okay? But let's find out where your charisma, sort of your natural charisma lies, what your real attributes are, and let's just pull it out of you and get it out there to the world.